This morning, Southern Roots is exactly that.
Yeah, Georgia Southern alumnus remembering his Statesboro roots with a new craft beer offering this fall.
It's been the talk of Statesboro this football season. While the play of the Georgia Southern Eagles has been impressive, the buzz I'm talking about is this brew.
Big goal and dreams is that this becomes the beer of Statesboro.
Elliott Hall is a proud Georgia Southern alum. He's also the owner and co-founder of Firemaker Brewing Company in Atlanta. From this family-owned craft brewery, Hail Southern Craft Beer was born.
I promise you, when I was drinking beer in college down in the borough, I did not ever expect to actually be able to partner with Georgia Southern. So this is a dream come true. Thanks to everybody, and yeah, Hail Southern.
Georgia Southern's first co-branded craft beer just won in Firemaker's award-winning line. Hall and his business ranked #2 best new brewery in America by USA Today and the top brewery in Atlanta by several publications.
I wanted a beverage for everybody, from non-alc to beer to seltzers to cocktails. We do a little bit of everything, really. We try to be a beverage company.
Safe to say this Georgia Southern alum knows how to GATA. In this case, that's getting after that alcohol.
It's just real special to be able to get to make so many good beers and see them all kind of develop their own personalities and see who likes them.
Well, right now, Hail Southern beer offered at Georgia Southern sporting events and up at Firemaker Brewery. The beer also being distributed by Southern Crown Partners at stores around Statesboro and the Southeast. From beer to, well, you got to be creative to make beer, that's for sure. And today is International Artist Day. There's definitely an art form to making good craft beer.
Absolutely. And we want to hear from you about how you get creative. Do you paint, maybe write, cook, or take photos? You can vote right now. This is our live interactive poll. You can either scan the QR code or go to WJCL.com/vote.